If you have an older single-handle Delta faucet and it's dripping from the spout, replace the seats and springs. Shut off the valves to the faucet by turning the handles clockwise. Loosen the set screw on the handle with a hex wrench. 1/8 inch is a common size. There may be a decorative cover over the screw that needs to be pried off first. Pull off the handle, close the stopper on the drain or cover it with a cloth. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the top bonnet nut. Pull up on the ball and remove the cam assembly and ball. Use the hex wrench to remove the seats and springs. You can use a soft cloth and vinegar or CLR to remove any mineral buildup on the ball. The Delta RP4993 seats and springs are the most common replacement, but check the size with the old seats. The springs are wider on one side. The wide side goes down into the faucet body, the narrow side goes up into the seat. Use the hex wrench to put in the springs wide side down, then slide the seats over the springs. The ball has a slot that the post on the faucet fits into. The cam assembly has a tab that fits into a slot on the faucet. Put the bonnet nut over the cam assembly and turn it clockwise. Snug the nut down with an adjustable wrench. Slide on the handle and tighten the screw with a hex wrench. Turn on the water valves and test the faucet.